Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the fifth part of our video series in which we are learning medical related terms in Korean language. If you have not watched the first four parts of the series yet, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. Now, in this fifth part, we are going to focus on learning the names of different branches of medicine in Korean language, which is a very important part of medical vocabulary, right? So, without wasting any time, let's begin. Now, here is a very important note before we learn the names of different branches of medicine. So, the note is in Korean, Kwa is a suffix that is used to mean subject or department or specialty. So, in medical terminology, qua at the end of a word indicates a specialized area of medicine. With this, what I mean is that when you'll see the names of different branches of medicine, you'll notice that the name ends in qua. Okay, the suffix qua is attached to all the names of the different branches of medicine. So, what does this suffix indicate? There has to be a reason for attaching this suffix to all these names. So, it indicates a specialized area of medicine. Okay, this is the use of qua at the end of each term for various branches of medicine. Now, remember one thing that the suffix qua, it is not limited to medicine only. It's also used in other fields to denote departments or branches. For example, notice this word mulli hakwa. So here, qua is a suffix that is attached to this word mulli hak. And in Korean, it means the Department of Physics. So, in a university, there are various departments for different subjects, and the Department of Physics is called Mulli Hakwa. Okay, so you can notice that the usage of qua is not limited only to the field of medicine. It is used to denote various departments or different branches in any other aspect, in any kind of institution. Okay. So, right now let's focus on the usage of qua in the field of medicine, and it denotes a specialized area of medicine. Okay, this much is clear. Now let's move ahead and learn the different branches of medicine in Korean language. What are they called in Korean? So, first comes the branch of internal medicine. So, the branch of internal medicine, it focuses on the diagnosis and treatment of internal diseases. So, if you are talking about a physician, then a physician comes under this branch, okay, the branch of internal medicine. So, in Korean, it is called 레과, 레과. Now, let's move ahead and look at the second branch, and that is surgery. It involves surgical procedures for treating various diseases or injuries, right? So surgery is called 외과, 외과. Okay. Now, next comes the branch of pediatrics, and it specializes in medical care for infants, children, and adolescents too. Okay, so in Korean, it is called soakwa, soakwa. Now comes the next branch of medicine, and that is dermatology. And dermatology, it deals with skin or hair or nail disorders, right? You look for a dermatologist if you have any skin disease. Okay, so in Korean it is 피부과, 피부과. Now let's move ahead. Here comes the next branch, and that is ophthalmology, and it focuses on the eye care and vision. Okay, this branch specializes in the field of eye, so it is called 안과, 안과. Next comes the branch of neurology, and it specializes in the disorders of the nervous system. Okay, so in Korean it is 신경과, 신경과. Now comes the next one, and that is ENT. And we know ENT is for ear, nose, and throat. It is the shortened form for ear, nose, and throat. So this branch, it treats the conditions of the ear and the nose and the throat. Okay, so ENT specialists, we look for them whenever we have a problem in our ear or in our nose, or we have some issue with our throat. Then we go for an ENT specialist. And in Korean it is 이비인후과, 이비인후과. Now comes the next branch, and that is dentistry. It focuses on the oral health and dental treatments, right? You go to a dentist for a dental treatment, and it is very easy. 치과, 치과. Okay, now let's move ahead. So here comes the next branch, and that is the branch of obstetrics or gynecology. And it deals with the pregnancy, childbirth, and disorders of the female reproductive system. Okay, so in Korean it is 산부인과, 산부인과. Now let's move ahead and see the next one, and that is psychiatry. So we all know it focuses on the mental health and psychiatric disorders, right? So in Korean it is 정신과, 정신과. Next comes the branch orthopedics, and we know that it deals with the muscles and the skeleton, our body, the bones, joints, and ligaments. So the complete skeletal system, it is dealt by this branch of medicine. And in Korean it is 정형외과, 정형외과. Next comes the branch urology, and it deals with the urinary system and the male reproductive organ. So in Korean it is called 비뇨기과, 비뇨기과. Now let's see the next branch, and that is radiology. And we know that this department, it deals with the imaging technology to diagnose and sometimes treat diseases. Okay, so X-rays, MRI, and CT scans, they all are the tools that we use under the branch of radiology. Okay, radiologist uses all these tools to diagnose various diseases and conditions. So in Korean, it is called 방사선과, 방사선과. Okay, so we learned the names of different branches of medicine in Korean language. Now, here's a very important thing I want to tell you. You might be thinking that, okay, we have learned the names of different branches. Now, how to learn the names of different medical specialists, right? You know what is surgery in Korean, but you don't know what is surgeon in Korean. Okay, the specialist who performs the surgery. So, the concept, the logic behind the names of different medical specialists is that the various specialists, they are typically named by combining the branch of medicine with the word isa. And we know isa is the Korean word for doctor. So if you want to say surgeon, then you have to attach the word isa with the Korean word for surgery. Now surgery, we have already saw, it is 외과. So surgeon is 외과 의사. Okay, just remember this note, that if you want to name a particular specialist, medical specialist, then you just have to attach isa to the branch of medicine that the person specializes in. Okay, all right, so I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.